much better than the other logs. That green wood was heavier. Alright, just pull it over, I'll hold it up. I need
knock the bottom in. You got a, Nathan? If you had a hammer to hit that bottom.
I got you. You got it?
I got it.
I got sledged in.
Come on. Towards you, Nathan. There you go.
This one's just a little bit heavier. Wood's a little bit greener, maybe. All right.
I got it.
Okay, you're overshooting that corner, maybe.
Okay, I'll get it back.
Get a.
Come on. Come on. Here we go, same foot. Up.
Around it.
We hit.
Let's swing it over just a little.
Now I should go.
Now, let's hit that brace.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
All right, now. Little more. Come on. Come on. Come on. One more.
Get another nail in that.
Miss it, that's her. Oh yeah, we're good. Come on.
All right,
Okay,
past it.
Hold on, I'm gonna slide this way.
Need to come about another.
How much? Oh, I hope it fits. Oh, thank you, Lord.
I'm in there.
Okay. I need a little peck here, a little persuasion.
All right, you want the.
Yep, I understand. Gotta do it right. Oh, this is magnificent.
You about right.
I'm pulling pressure in, so.
Good. Close enough.
Okay, I'm gonna. All right. There it is.
Okay.
That's good.
Just let
Are you ready?
Yep. All right, probably come to you.
Come to me.
Yeah. Let's see, this is a 16-footer, right?
Yep.
That's close enough. Then.
It's close enough. Tack her up. Ain't that better?
Oh, it's better than holding it.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll come back with my timbers and lock it in. That's good.
What do you say?
Yeah. There's timbers drawn in some more.
Yep, we want to shim it behind that.
All right.
You good?